Viewers and subscribers, this is the fourth video I see with Shenseea removing her wig this way. Whenever I repost it, I always title it and say wig peeling. I think that is pretty self-explanatory. I think most would agree, right? Because when I see the video, they're going to see exactly what she do. For those who see all four videos, I don't know if there's more or I just four video. But you know what I mean? I never really said nothing about the first three, and I'm not really saying anything about this fourth one. But at this point, we just wonder what go on. Because Shenseea not really tell we nothing. Whenever we see these videos, there never no commentary on them. Some of them longer, some of them shorter. Like that one was only 15 seconds. There was one where it was up to a minute, right? And the thing about it, whenever me find them video, I don't know. I never see them on Shenseea page. It's not like she post them. Probably she put them in her stories, but I find them a place like Shade Room or some other big American page, because the one here I actually see on a Nigerian page. You see me? And the way how people caption them like in shock. Them I wonder what go on with Shenseea and why she's doing this. And Shenseea not really tell nobody why she's doing it. We don't know if Shenseea do this because it feel good. We don't know if she do it because she just want, you know what I mean? Because she can. We don't know what it is. But however, like we expect, the comments them always the same. People are say she are gonna lose her airline. People are say this is cringe-worthy. All kind of things people are say. Just like what me know say una go say down in this comment section. And there's some comments where people are trying to be helpful, and I said there's glue removal for things like these, but I think she know that still. I think she does do this because she want to. You see what I say? We don't know the real reason behind it. We don't know how much she do on no video. You see what I say? But she doing it, and it get her some attention. I mean, I think she do it for the attention, though. That's not what I'm saying. But it's always like, we never see one of them and no comment on the panel. You see what I say? So, in that sense, it do something. You see what I say? It have we talking about Shenseea peeling off her wig for the most part. And this is what I say. Now, in addition to this, Shenseea did an interview and she was explaining what kind of man she like, and she gonna lay down the requirements them. So all of the male listeners them, you see what I say, all I talks them we are listening. If you don't feel like you don't want to shut off for the Shengyang boss, you listen up for the requirements them, and if you don't have some of them, you go get some of them. Some of them you have to burn with you. See what I say? Me check the ratio and I don't qualify in some department, so I not even go try. You see what I say? But when you don't know the thing go, Shenseea is a lot of men's dream. A whole heap of man like her. You see what I say? We talk about local and abroad. She look good people. We can't take that from her. You see what I say? But anyway, I'm going to play the audio and make you hear go on. So take a listen to this. Here goes.
I like a humble black man. I love black men. Black men is my go-to for sure.
Like this type of black?
Black, yeah.
Okay.
And I like tattoos too.
Oh,
I know something about tattoos.
Yeah.
I like tall. Gotta be an alpha because it's very hard to deal with me. Gotta
Why
be.
you say that?
I can't even deal with myself. That's why I say that.
Yeah.
Man who got money, because I got my money. I don't want to be giving all the gifts.
You need to receive them gifts.
Yeah.
Now, people, credits to the BG show, Brandon Gomez show. That's who did the interview with Shenseea. So if you want to see the full thing, I want to hear the full thing, you know what I mean? Just type in at the internet anywhere and you can look up Brandon Gomez show, Shenseea interview. I'm pretty sure that's not the only thing she talk about. She must talk about a lot more things. It's so I say, however, when I know say this is a little spicy part, so people cut this out, or maybe him cut it out himself and this I go around the internet. It's so I say, and this may bring to you. But talking about spicy, talking about chemistry, talking about man and woman. You see what I say? Let's talk about TC. We are talking about the T in a PTR. What girl got it going on? You see what I say? Now, yesterday we see a commercial drop on TC page. Hot people, me I tell you. You see what I say? No, me I say it hot because the nature of it. You see what I say? It's a what kind of product this is now? More often say it's a feminine product, but also, you know, we don't know exactly. But me I go show you the commercial. Me I take a chance on it, people. Me I go try to resize it and make sure say, you know, too, you know what I mean, out there. But we are going to show you what I go on. So the guys see what TC I deal with. So here goes. Take a look at this.
Love me like social media. Believe in me like what you post. See him where you have faith na the blog of them. I see him if you love me the most. Treat me like Instagram. Make everybody know me are the one. See me your TikTok as you wake up. Treat me like the phone where you take up.
If you can't share your password, it no real. About privacy, the all your private free. You share that to me but your Instagram seal. You never send a pee picture to me yet. So you have a pee picture on the net. See all of them posts you believe in. None of them can find a night dinner.
Love me like social media. Believe in me like what you post. See him where you have faith na the blog of them.
Yeah, people, so I want to tell you what kind of product. So it's called Goddess Detox, right? Goddess Detox. And it's look like it's a feminine product, obviously with a name like that. You see what I say? But people, definitely Goddess Detox, then company get a forward yesterday because this work. Me not lie. Over 1,000 ad, over 1,500 ad comments on TC page. I want to just imagine what people are say. Because me know say una imagine what una are going to say about it if you don't already say it over TC page. I want to might want to say it again. You see what I say? But me know what I say before me even go to the comment section. I say, damn. You see what I say? This crazy. The ladies then say them feel like them watch something on Netflix, right? And I see one comment where one youth comment, it look like him know the brother in the video, so him tag him, the brother name Estefan, and him comment and I say, yo, grab our throat, my boss. And you know that comment is for all of mankind. You see me I say? You know what I mean? People, me don't want sound too, you know what I mean? Me don't want sound too weird about now for understand. Like them girl, you know, them are the Instagram girl, them Shenseea, them TC, pretty them, and rebel them, you see what I say? And you don't know the list, a whole heap of woman out there, you see what I say? We had panogram where a lot of men just sit down at daytime and be like, you see, you know? Or you see any day, you see what I say? I remember just speak for myself. I don't know people. But you see what I say? All fun and joke aside, though, people. I'm glad for see TC in a something at that caliber because it look good. The work is well done professionally, and you can tell say professional people do this. You see what I say? Because it approaches say they might be naked and in the shower, but in reality we know say it maybe not even be that. You see what I say? There could be a towel like right below the line of TC, like right above our breast, you know what I mean? She could have covered up, and him obviously him can do it without shirt, but him have on bottoms, you know what I say? Why for that still? But you don't understand what I say? Him have on shorts or something. You don't understand what I say, people. But yeah. Now, people, if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my longtime subscribers, thank you for being here. Thank you for keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Now, big up everybody. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is. Wherever you are, stay safe out there. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me, that's an IG, rich, punk, should know, 10 to blacks, yeah,